So you'll see in this spreadsheet here that certain values are highlighted a certain way or look different, and they all appear to be that way based on certain criteria. For example, every price in here that's indicated with $560.25 is highlighted red. This is an example of what we call conditional formatting, where based on certain criteria that you define, certain cells look different or are changed or modified. So how do we set up these rules? What are their benefits? So the benefits of this are, certain dollar amounts, certain figures in your spreadsheet are outliers. You want them to stand out so you can identify things more easily. Those are good examples of why you would use conditional formatting. Or if you're using a spreadsheet as, let's say, a to-do list, certain items which need immediate attention, let's say you have the word flagged in here. Let's say I have the word flagged in here, and anytime you see the word flagged, you want this to show up as bright red and bolded. That's an example of why you would want to use conditional formatting. So to set this up, to set up conditional formatting, first you can highlight the entire sheet by clicking in the corner here, or just highlight the range of cells for which you want to apply this conditional formatting. You can then right-click, select conditional formatting, or what you can do is go to Format, Conditional Formatting, so that you have your conditional formatting rules for your entire spreadsheet. I'm just going to choose it for this column here, so I'll highlight the column, I'll right-click, click Conditional Formatting. So you'll see here I have some rules already set up for column G. I want to add a new rule for just column H. And what I want to do is anytime the word flagged shows up, I want it to get highlighted and bolded. So I'm going to change this, and you'll see a bunch of rules show up. So whether your cells are empty or not, those get flagged. Whether there's certain text in those cells, whether those cells start or end with certain text. You can also use this for numerical figures. For example, anything that is above 1,000 shows up as bright red. You can also use formulas here. So if something is really specific, if you want to define that, certain cells appear differently. So let's say anytime the text contains the word flagged, I want these cells to show up as red. So I want the cell to be filled red. And we'll go over here. I'm actually changing the text. I want these cells to show up as red. I want the text to be black, and I also want the text to be bolded. So we see that this is applying here. So I'll go ahead, hit done, and we'll give this a try. So we're actually going to do this here. We're going to change this cell H1 to H1000. We'll hit done, and we'll give this a try. So again, we see flag is not working, but flag, it's showing up, and it's being formatted conditionally based on what I'm typing. So that gives you an overview of using conditional formatting within Google Sheets.